Hey everyone, we're just on set of my first ever music video. The song is One Night and the band is Sons of Zion, famous New Zealand band and one of my favorites, so it's pretty special that I get to shoot this music video for them. We just wrapped up day one. Take a look and see what it looks like. Sitting here. Maybe more facing this way. How's it going? I'll go for a few sips. Just thinking about everything. Should I go on this date? Should I not? What's for this? Just pies, eh? It's the only thing I get excited for, really. I mean the salads.
Oh, this is not good.
Sweet.
Very nice.
Did we get it or do we have to do it again?
We got it. We got that part of it. Excited, bro. We're allowed to check in earlier than we were meant to, so always helps with time in that. But cool crew, super chill. So hopefully it turns out alright, eh? Yeah, that's nice. That's good. Stay there. Stay there for a little bit. Maybe in a... You know what I mean? And then hang them over the edge.
Yeah, why?
Reckon we need a bit small, wider lens.
Maybe, yeah.
Alright, look at that.
Yo!
Bada bing, bada boom. Oh wow.
Actually, it looks like it's
That looks mad.
Alright, welcome to my crib. Right here we got the bathroom. Right. Bro, I can't believe I got Inda this weekend.
It's gonna be bad, eh?
Bro, it's gonna be bad.
Come up, yeah.
We're rolling. We're rolling. Yeah, that's what you're doing. It's perfect.
Do you want to hear one?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, easy. Bro, you might be a bit taller. Bro, can we jump in the shop? Just so I can French stretch out.
Surprise, my surprise, man.
Go again. Go again. Cause what if he was coming from out of focus from a distance? Just get a like an opening frame.
Well, if you do that, maybe punch it
Oh,
over
you're
a bit.
right.
Cheer everyone, we're just here on day 2 of the music video.
Oh, yeah?
We're up in Mudriff.
Oh!
Let's go, let's get it. I need to stop saying let's go at the end of the video. Let's bang. Let's try. Everyone, we're just here on day 2 of the music video. Today we're shooting all the male scenes. So we've got a kitchen scene, we've got a lounge scene, we've got a car scene, and then we're doing the full band scene at sunset. Hopefully there's a nice sunset. It's a bit cloudy today, so there probably won't be much color. But I'm excited, day 2, super excited to get this opportunity again and shoot a band that I love with the people that I love as well. Sure. Wait, don't put it out, because it might actually work. Can you move your left hand? Just stand to the side, yeah. And grab it with your right hand.
We're losing control. Try to take it slow.
Yeah. We out here.
Scene 3 for the male in the car. Always tricky kind of lighting cars because you're in such a confined space. But we'll make it work. It's quite hot as well, so I don't want to pull the roof back until we're ready to go. Other shots, everything else has been pretty good. Quite nice. I'm quite happy with the lighting. We did a bit of like motivation lighting in the last scene with the lamp behind Rio, and then we lit him from the side with one of these. But yeah, I'm excited to put it all together. We got a couple of options, some wide shots, some tight shots, so we can cut to those throughout the video, so we can break the split screen up a bit.
Ooh, yeah. For one night.
Close your eyes, cuz, just one night. Just me and you. Yo, cast, that's a shoulder workout, eh? Oh, heck
Put that in your video.
Straight up.
Sweet, that looked really nice with the diffuser actually.
Yep, and then we'll get a tight as well.
Handheld tight or just tripod
Might
tight?
just go tripod, eh?
Yep. Oh, sweet, iPad.
So we can see your best thing begins when you're worth our while. What if we found love at first sight? Girl, maybe we can try it for one night. For one night.
And we're gonna turn around and come back this way so the sun's on this side.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah. Window for me, cuz. Holy bro.
Pardon?
How many scenes you got left?
One more scene, a few different shots. We got the band scene, so we'll be going outside when the lights a bit nicer, and we'll shoot one wide, one medium, one tight, and then that's a wrap. It's a wrap. So we'll see how we go. Hopefully the light's nice and the sunset's quite nice. It's quite cloudy outside, so we will see how it goes. Excited.
Take them off.
Yeah. Fuck, I really want to use those man lights.
I know.
Get a title shot in there. Only the bros on his right instrument. Ready? Yo. Round 2, rolling. We'll get into this one, eh, Rio? Get into this one a bit. Get into it a bit. Yeah. Give it a crack. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
A wrap, baby.
That's it. Yo. Rappers. Yo. Lovely. Lovely so much, bro. Lovely. Thank you, Sammy. Church. How good.
Hey.
That's a wrap. Right, baby. Shot, Kazi. Thanks, Steve. Right, everyone, that's a wrap of my first ever music video. Special shout out to Sons of Zion for trusting me with this. Cannot wait to put this together and show you guys. Shout out to my boy behind the camera with all the BTS that you've guys seen. Tenadon, and shout out to my mate Sammy who helped me out over the last couple of days. Super special moment in my career as a creator, a videographer, filmmaker. Can't wait to get this out to you guys, and as always, cheers.